Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken casserole supreme? It's a dish that can warm the heart, fill the stomach, and tantalize your taste buds. So buckle up as we journey into the realm of culinary delights. The first step, like any good adventure, begins with gathering your tools and ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, a medley of colorful vegetables like carrots, celery, and bell peppers, along with onions and garlic. Don't forget to grab a handful of aromatic herbs, like thyme, rosemary, and bay leaves. A splash of white wine, a good quality chicken broth, flour, and cream are also essential to this delicious concoction. With everything in place, it's time to start. Heat a generous glug of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper, then gently place them in the hot oil. Cook until golden brown, typically about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same skillet, add your chopped onions, minced garlic, and diced vegetables. Sauté these until they are tender and the onions are translucent. Now comes the time to sprinkle in the flour. Stir well to coat the vegetables. This will help thicken the sauce later on. Next, pour in the white wine, making sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to release those flavorful bits stuck at the bottom. Simmer until the wine reduces by half. Then add the chicken broth, cream, and herbs. Stir everything together and bring it to a gentle simmer. Now, return the chicken to the skillet, nestling it into the vegetables and sauce. Cover the skillet and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the chicken to become fall-apart tender. And there you have it, a perfect chicken casserole supreme. The steps are simple: brown the chicken, sauté the vegetables, make the sauce, and let everything simmer together. It's a dish that's hearty and satisfying, full of flavors that are both comforting and sophisticated. Remember, the beauty of cooking is that it's an art, not a science. Feel free to modify the recipe to suit your tastes. Maybe add some heat with a dash of cayenne or a touch of sweetness with a spoonful of honey. The possibilities are endless. So the next time you're pondering what to make for dinner, why not consider the chicken casserole supreme? It's a dish that promises to impress and satisfy, a symphony of flavors that's easy to make and even easier to love. Until next time, happy cooking!